Hello again, class. This is Mr. DeVries, and we're going to finish up the Unit F on the mass media and politics today, as far as lectures are concerned, and set the stage for your next project, your soundbite project. The medium is the means of communication. There are many different mediums used. Could be radio, television, internet. These are all different mediums that the media could use to get the message across to you. The four main ones, and have been for many years, are television, newspapers, radio, and magazines. Now, as we all know, these four have kind of reduced their importance lately due to the rise of Twitter and Pinterest and Facebook and so forth, different means of social media. YouTube, for younger people particularly, may not even subscribe to newspapers or magazines. Many young people may not even listen to a radio station. They just plug their cell phone into their radio in their car and then listen to the type of music that they have downloaded. Same thing with television. Maybe many young people don't even have cable television or just stream things off their computer. So even though these are the four main mediums still today, times have been changing. Television, of course, the sound bites have gotten shorter and shorter, but the biggest impact still today for the government is television. Less people are going to actually read a whole newspaper article about that political topic or that candidate, and even less are going to read an entire magazine article, 8 to 10 page article on a particular topic or candidate. So the emphasis still today is spending money on television, and has been for the last 50 years the most important medium for candidates to get across their personality and their politics. The mass media, of course, does influence politics in such a way. We're going to find out that impact as we go along. Not every country is as media dependent as Americans. We have several television sets and computers and smartphones and tablets at our disposal today, whereas other countries may be less connected. And as I said earlier, television is still the most important, but blogs and YouTube videos, the YouTube channel, of course, is free as the air. So you can create your own YouTube channel, you can create your own blog, your own social network, and so you can use those types of mediums to get your message across as well. So the media plays a large part, again, mostly television, in setting the public agenda. As I said last time, your mom or dad at work around the water cooler is likely to talk about what they saw or read on the internet on their Yahoo News page or on Wood TV 8 News, or however they get whatever medium that they use. But television over the last 50, 60 years has allowed candidates to appeal directly to the people, and particularly now with YouTube, anybody with a camera and an internet connection can upload their own newscasts and sound bites, which are sharply focused, about 30 to 40 second videos, and you're going to produce one soon using WeVideo on your blog topic. There are limits to what the media, like I said, very few people dig in deeper and actually read. Most people just skim the news or look at what Yahoo News says or Google News and then just sort of read the headlines, although there is more in-depth coverage for those who really want that. Another thing that you want to keep in mind is that it could be biased. The media could be, by leaving large chunks of information out or looking at a topic from only one viewpoint, it could try to form your opinion in a very biased manner. So keep that in mind too. And also the best way to mitigate that is by pursuing more than one source of media. Now, there are various propaganda techniques to try to sway your opinion, such as mudslinging, bandwagon effect, illusions, and so on, plains folk appeal. You're going to be reading about that in your Google Classroom activity and get a chance then to match them with the campaign ads and also use one of these techniques or more in your own soundbite example that you'll be creating for your blog issue.